fried fish.
Good fried fish. Oh my goodness.
Carrot juice. Natural juice.
Good carrot juice right up.
That's a
Good
carrot
fortune,
juice.
yeah. Yes, the ginger, everything like that.
Alright. Big up Colette.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Alright.
Have a good one.
Yeah, bye. Thank you.
Well, the pepper hot.
Me hot.
You hot?
Lie. It's even hot.
What the fish starts? Good?
Good.
Yeah, man. You say fish bad?
Talk to them fishy.
Parafish, you know?
You know what I want.
Yeah, guys, so Barda is known for its seafood dishes, you know, particularly, you know, fried bami, you know, conch soup, fried fish, pepper shrimp, any type of seafood where you can think of, you know. Barda is situated like in a small fishing village. I think it's called Scott's Cove, you know, right on the border between St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland.
Ate some good fish. I mean, about $80 worth of fish. We're gonna walk this whole thing. You know what I mean? Nah, man. It's a place for the seafood. We call it barter.
Like, yeah.
Some last season, that's what I was looking
Look at that one.
for. Nice, hot, just right.
We just buy some down there, son. Come on, man.
Give up them some bite.
That's true, you know. They look good, though, man. Good fish. Good family. Now put up our camera. It's full right now, you know. We just buy some in Nike, put in our car. We have Colette here. Good fritas.
Fried fish.
Good fried fish. Oh my goodness.
Carrot juice. Natural juice.
Good carrot juice right up.
That's a
Good
good carrot.
fortune, yeah. Yes, the ginger, everything like that.
Alright. Big up Colette.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Alright.
Have a good one.
Yeah, bye. Thank you.
Had some fried fish. Fried fish was good. It wasn't bad. I'm not gonna lie. It wasn't nothing crazy. But I guess people love there because but everybody's selling the same thing pretty much. Fried fish.
Experience, you know.
Fried fish. So if you just love fish and you just want to eat fish, that's where you go. What you call it? Border?
Yeah, mid quarters, you know.
Mid quarters.
Yeah.
Was it expensive?
No, not really. When you think about it, because
So we got how much fish came on that plate?
that platter had like eight, seven or eight fish.
2 platters, right? So
Yeah.
that's 16 fish.
Yeah. So that's
We ate 16 fried. Well, we didn't eat all 16.
yeah.
We got some
conch
with us.
soup.
We had conch soup for 4 people. 16 total fried fish. We ate
Yeah.
4.
Uh-huh.
We had bami. All that came out to about
20 grand, 21,000.
21,000. Do the math for that, it's probably about $100. Yeah, a little over 100, give or take. That's a lot of fish.
Yep.
So I would say that was a great price, if
Yep.
you ask me. Then I did walk down and go and get some fritas. This wasn't intentional. But this lady, which I did show y'all, she stood out to me. Wasn't it?
Colette.
Colette.
Yeah.
she stood out to me because everybody had fried fish and steamed fish. But Colette had fried fish, bammy, and fritas. Salt fish fritas, which was that stand out. Cause I already had fish. So you gotta be able to catch my attention with something else. Fritas. And then on top of it, she had carrot juice, natural carrot juice. Big up Colette. But then again, guys, we're still on the road. We're heading to pick up my cousin's son. We got another hour and a half drive. I don't know if I'm gonna film, but if you see something after this, then you know I'm filming.
Yeah.
But either way, make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Share it again and subscribe again. Somebody else, send it to somebody. Share it, like it, keep sharing it. Wishboy Lando. I need to name this series Jamaica something.